Okay, we're going to open up this box and pull out our Canon XF200s. I've worked with this camera many times. It's not a bad camcorder. I like Canons. I like them as a brand. Grab it. There we go. Alright. Instruction manual. Probably a digital version of the same thing. Over here. Strap. Attach that to the camera. So you can hook it over your shoulder. Have better safety. Not to drop it. Okay. One thing at a time here. This is your charging mount. This end can plug right into the camera. This end you hook to this cable. Didn't mean to drop that. Get yourself a power cable, plug into this, mount your battery here, charge the battery. But if you have the ability, say you're shooting a play or a dance recital or something, do a lot of those. You can plug this in here, plug this side to the wall, this side to the camera, and have power to the camera. No fear of losing battery power at any point. So if you're recording a long presentation, worried about losing battery after 2 hours or something, it's a good way to never have to worry about that. This goes on the front of the camera, blocks out sun. Instead of having a lens cap, which you can lose, this version has a lens flap. So you pop it up, keep your lens from getting dirty, pop it down, you can record. I really like that feature because I have lost lens caps in the heat of busyness when you're running from shoot to shoot. Remote for the camera, sometimes that's pretty fun. Not have to hit record, make the camera jiggle a bit. Here's your battery. Little plate on the back end to keep this from getting dirty. This is where it plugs onto the charger. And it'll plug into the back of the camera. Smaller battery. Put this is probably for the camera. We'll double check that. Unless this goes in here. Maybe it goes in here because it's a circle. I've had old Canon XL2 camera. It had a little battery like this, and that was for storing internal memory inside the camera, but since it fits there, it seems to be that's what that's made for. Before we get a little further down, here is this goes on the Viewfinder. Allows you to put your eye right up to the viewfinder. Your face goes right here, and this will shield out any outside light coming in so you can get a better view of what you're looking at. All right, now we're probably getting to the camera. Very well packaged in here to keep it safe. Pull it out of there. Here's the Canon XF200. You put that viewfinder bit here, the blanking on the word now, but this bit goes right on here. Have to unscrew that. Well, I'll attach that later. This is just unboxing. Okay, and this is a mount for an additional microphone. If you have a shotgun mic that you can hook right in here. Unscrew this. Pop in a shotgun mic, close it up, and this screws into the side right here. Okay, and here's the screws that actually mount that onto this side here for the camera. Goes right through these holes here. And that is it for the Canon XF200 box.